Jai Gurudev children. In our previous class, we were discussing about animals, right? And they are found all over the world. Children, the first thing that comes to our mind when we talk about animals. What is it, children? Think. Okay, I will give you a clue. A place where animals are kept in cage and people visit that place to see those animals. Yes, zoo, and it is also called as zoological park or zoological garden, and zoo is the short name of it. Okay, come on. Now let's go and visit the zoo.
Wow, this zoo looks so big and beautiful, right? Come on, let's go inside. Children, which animal is this? Yes, lion. Very good. Now, what about this, children? Yes, tiger. What about this, children? Yes, zebra. And this one? Yes, elephant. What about this animal, children? Yes, horse. Now, which animal is this? Yes, snake. Next. Yes, good. Giraffe. Next. Which animal is this, children? Yes, tortoise. What about this, children? Yes, parrot. Very good. Now this crocodile. And this eagle. Very good. And this one? Yes, fish.
Children, did you see? There were so many animals, right? Did you observe all those animals? Do they all look the same? No, right? We could see some differences among those animals. Children, what is the first difference you can identify? Think, children.
Observe, children. What is the first difference you can identify? Think, children. Yes, legs. Now observe this animal, children. Which animal is this? Yes, lion. Children, how many legs do lion has? Yes, four. Now what about this parrot? Children, how many legs do parrot has? Yes, two. Now, what about this, children? Yes, it's a cockroach. Now, how many legs do cockroach has? Count, children. Yes, six. Animals that have six legs are called as insects. Now, what about this? Yes, it's a snake. Do snake have legs, children? No. Very good. So, children, In this picture, we can observe that there are few animals that have 2 legs, 4 legs, and 6 legs. And also few animals have no legs at all. So come on, now let's list out the animals according to their legs. The first one, animals that have 2 legs. Children, can you name them? Yes, parrot, eagle, crow, and hen, etc. Now, animals that have 4 legs. Yes, dog, cow, cat, lion, etc. Now, animals that have 6 legs. And I also told you that animals that have 6 legs are called as insects. Now, can you name them, children? Yes, cockroach, butterfly, honeybee, ant, etc. Now, animals that have no legs at all. Now, can you name them, children? Yes, snake, fish, earthworm, and snail. Very good.
Children, we know that animals move, right? But how do they move? Yes, they take the help of their legs to move from one place to another. Children, how about these animals like earthworms, snake and snails? They don't have legs, right? How do they move? I will tell you. Animals like earthworms, snake and snails, they use their body to move. What about fishes, children? Yes, fishes swim in water to move from one place to another. Now what about birds? How do they move? Yes, they move from one place to another by flying with the help of their wings. They have beautiful wings, right? So with the help of their wings, they fly and move from one place to another. So children, now we understood that all animals will not have the same number of legs and they move around in many different ways.
Like some animals fly, some animals swim, some animals walk, run, hop, climb, etc. So they use their different body parts like legs, wings, etc. to move from one place to another in many different ways.
Children, we know that animals are living things, right? And what do living things need, children? What are the main things which living things need to survive? Yes, food, water and shelter to protect ourselves, right? And we also know that plants prepare their own food. Now what about animals, children? They also need food, water, right? Do they also prepare their own food? No, animals cannot prepare their own food. So they move from one place to another in search of food, water, and also to protect themselves from their enemies and also from the bad weather. So all animals move from one place to another in search of food, water and shelter. So children, in our today's class, we understood that why animals move and how do they move, right? And we also understood that all animals will not have the same number of legs. Very good. And this was the first difference which we identified by seeing those animals. And in our next class, let's identify the second difference among those animals. So children, I am giving you a small assignment. That is, you have to identify the second difference among those animals. And we will discuss about it in detail. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.